Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, last week we had my second lecture on vaccination in children, in which I had described all the current vaccines in use according to EPI program. So I have described in detail all what has been practiced. However, currently some new changes have taken place and have been adopted in the updated EPI schedule 2021. So I thought that the students in the final year should be well aware of what changes have been made. I will discuss it one by one. At birth, the EPI schedule advises that all babies should be vaccinated with BCG against tuberculosis, should receive a 0 dose of oral polio vaccine along with hepatitis B as the birth dose within first 24 hours of life. So these are the vaccine at birth for all children. These policies have been adopted for EPI schedule, especially to be implemented in the province of Punjab. Then at 6 weeks, that's 1.5 months, the authority they recommend use of Penta 1, which is diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B, and Haemophilus influenza. 5 antigens in one go is called Penta 1, along with oral polio vaccine 1, along with pneumococcal conjugate vaccine 1, along with Rota 1. So these are the vaccine at the time of 6 weeks age. Then we call the patient for the third visit, that is 10 weeks, when the baby should get Penta 2, OPV 2, PCV 2 and Rota 2 vaccines in one go. Of course, they are given at different sites, on the right thigh, on the left thigh, and also orally. Patients come for the fourth visit at 14 weeks, and then they get Penta 3, OPV 3, pneumococcal conjugate vaccine 3 and injectable polio. Now there is no Rota because 2 doses are adequate. At 9 months, we call them. Previously they were getting only measles vaccine. Now the updated schedule is that at 9 months infants get measles and rubella vaccine in one go. It's called MR1, along with typhoid conjugate vaccine. Then we call them at 15 months of age, when babies get the second dose of measles rubella vaccine 2, MR2. We call them back at 18 months when they get DPT booster, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus booster. So this schedule is now being followed in the EPI centers of the government of Pakistan and especially in Punjab. Please note that now we are vaccinating against 12 diseases compared to 10 diseases previously. So now it is really expanding in dimension that we should vaccinate more and more children against these 12 diseases. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Thank you.